Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz S560 4MATIC. This one's a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4-liter V8 twin turbo with 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch multi-spoke wheels with a magma gray, espresso brown, Napa leather interior with a Designo natural grain ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, S560 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, illuminated door sills, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, wireless charging, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, hard keys for the media display, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This S-Class has 24,801 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S560 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.